Well, keep moving, Gigi. Hopefully good things will come. You can see that we have been spoiled, or about to be spoiled by Tingana. I mean, he's drinking in the most perfect spot for us to actually see him and to get some really kind of beautiful views of him as he goes about his afternoon drinking session. He is, for me, really looking as good as I've seen him look in many months. It's really nice to kind of have him back to his sort of normal self, if you want to call it that. That's the kind of Tingana we always think of, as that kind of beast mode leopard that you see there, with big swollen kind of shoulders and big tummy and big dewlap. It really is just kind of the way you think of him when you kind of see him. So it's, for me, very special. Have you decided that that other drinking spot wasn't as nice? Hey, boy? Funny cat. Awesome, though, to see him, isn't it? I think so. I think, well, Seb and obviously Lauren and Ali did a sterling effort this morning to find him. It's one of the values of having that drone, is that it allows us to be able to see these kind of things. Paula, you say those paws are massive? They are big, aren't they? I mean, he's a big boy. Everyone often kind of, thinks about Hosana and kind of talks about whether or not Hosana is ever going to be a leopard that's going to compete with Tingy. Tingy, why are you coming to sit with us now? I parked on the opposite side of you, and now you're coming right to where I am. And there's no space for you here, boy. I didn't think you would come this side after you drank. I'm sorry. I can actually hear him breathing. I'm just going to keep quiet quickly. I don't know if you guys can hear him breathing. It's amazing. You can hear him actually kind of breathing while he walked past us. Incredible. Now, PC Black, you say you're surprised that he has room inside that stomach for water. Yes, I think so. We all are. He is full. But it's needed. I mean, they dehydrate quite a bit when they pant as much as they do. Luckily, today hasn't been all that hot. I mean, we had horrible weather this morning, and I mean, the teams that braved this morning's foul miserableness really did a good job. Why are you drinking out of that, Malo? Maybe this one doesn't taste nice. Maybe this one has got too much algae in it or something like that. It has gone a bit green with blue-green algae, and so that's maybe why he's decided that he doesn't want to drink. I just don't want to go too far back because obviously he's right behind me drinking.